The next item here is forums. So forums are a great way for users to communicate with one another in regards to a specific job. A job can contain more than one or more forums. Okay. For example, here, we've created a number of different discipline forums. Okay. Let's go and have a look at doing one of these. When you're inside a forum, you first create a category. So I'm going to go and add a category here called site visits. You can add a description if you like, but that's pretty self-explanatory. Let's add that. And then when you go into the categories, you can create topics. So for example here, might create one on what to bring. And you can simply type out your list. You might need water, sunscreen, your PPE gear, etc., etc. Now these are simple HTML background. You can see that if I tick on the source code here. So you can do a number of other things here, like insert an image. Do that with the second last button here. I should mention you also have a number of basic text editors like changing color, bolding, italics, all those sorts of things. Your image, you can add an external image from a local drive or network. You can add an image that's in a 12D Synergy location as well. So I'll just go browse here. Go into this one. Add in my image. And so in this case, it might be just a warning of snakes, etc. Okay. It's not the only thing you can do. You can also insert hyperlinks or web links. So that's with the last button up on the toolbar here. You can give it a name. So I might call it safety. If you want to insert an internet page or a web page, you can type in the full path here. Make sure you include the http:// whatever the website address is. Since I'm not hooked to the internet through this one, you can also do links to folders within 12D Synergy. So I can click from 12D Synergy. I can say, well, I want to link it to a folder. And then I can browse, in this case, to my safety folder. Hit select here. It puts the link in. Then I hit select linked to finish that process. And then create. And there you go. I've got a nice little hyperlink in there that will give a shortcut to the safety folder. When you're finished with your post, just come down the bottom right and select post. Yes, so I'll have a look at my post now. So this is what they look like. Okay. I can then go and edit it, of course, or delete it. But in this case, I want to go and notify other users that it's there. So I could add a team, or I could go and add, again, I could add the team or a contacts from here. So just hit the plus button. Oops, sorry. Go and hit find. Come and select who I want to notify of those ones. And then hit select. Use. I can give a description. So in here I can go, please read and reply. Hit submit. Notification's now been sent, so they receive email notification. And what I can do now is actually tick on this little watch this topic for replies. And when they've replied, I know they have complied to the instructions on this forum.